All right, so for check-in week number 4, it asks you to draw a Venn diagram of A union, oops, not you, union, the intersection of B intersects C. So just like order of operations, I'm going to work with my parentheses first. So I'm going to go inside here and I need B intersected with C. And really quick, there are 3 sets. So I'm going to draw 3 circles to represent the 3 sets. And they may or may not be overlapping. I always kind of start out this way. And so I'm going to call, just going to go in order, A, B, C. So everything inside that circle belongs to that set. So B intersected with C, this intersect symbol means all the elements that are in both B and C. And so that's just that overlapping section right here where the circles B and C overlap each other. Now the next part says that we want to union that with set A. So what we want is that both part, but we also would like the set A. So the set A is this entire circle. We want this whole entire set. We also want to have that B intersected with C, so it's that whole portion. We're not looking for overlap or anything. We want just that whole section. So if I was going to just draw it from scratch here, what we're talking about is all of that part with this part too. Again, that's if that was A, B, and C. So we have B intersected with C along with, that's what union, it's like saying I could live in that intersection or I could live in set A, and so that's what that blue part represents. So hope that makes more sense.